Hi, hello, welcome friends. I am Amizhthan. Today in this video we are going to see 6 interesting math fast calculation tricks. If you are new to my channel, kindly click the red subscribe button and the small little bell icon for notification. Very eager to see, right? Let's go. Friends, the first fast calculation trick is I am going to write this 99 tables fast and quickly. Let's see that. Trick is I am going to add these two fractions using the butterfly method. Let's see. First step is we need to multiply these two numbers. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. And what symbol here is given? There is plus. So we need to put plus here. Put an equal symbol. And 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. And here we have got 12. Friends, the answer we have got is 11 by 12. This method will be very useful for you. Like you can do the addition of fraction and subtraction of fraction very easily, fastly and quickly. And you can remember this method very easily in your mind. So our second fast calculation trick is done. Friends, first we have done for addition of fraction. Now we are going to use this butterfly method for the subtraction of fraction. Let's see that. As I said, first we need to multiply these two numbers. 8 into 4 is equal to 32. 9 into 1 is equal to 9. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. What symbol here is given? Here is minus symbol. So put the minus symbol here. Now we need to subtract 32 minus 9. That's equal to 23. And what number here we have got? 36. Write 36 here. See? 23 by 36. See how easily, fastly and quickly have done this subtraction of fraction. So the second fast calculation trick is done. Friends, the next fast calculation trick is I am going to multiply 8 into 999. See, it will take more time, right? But I am going to do in a single step. Let's see that. First step is we need to multiply 8 into 9. 8 into 9 is 72. We need to write the 10th number. That is 7 here. Write 7 here. And 2 at the 1st digit. And what is remaining here? This 2 9 is remaining. So that you need to write this 2 9 in between these two numbers. So the answer is 7 9 and 2. Now we will do for this number also. 6 into 9 is equal to 54. Write 5 here and 4 here. The remaining number is 2 9. Write this 2 9 in between the two numbers. So the answer is 5 9 9 4. Now we are going to multiply 7 into 4 9. As I said, first 7 into 9 is equal to 63. Write 6 here, 3 here, and what is remaining? 399. Write this 999 here. So the answer When we do in the normal method, we find the LCM of the two denominators and then we will convert them into the like fraction and then we will find which is greater. But now we are going to do in only one step. Let's see that. The first step is we need to multiply this numerator and this denominator. 8 into 5 is equal to 40. Write 40 here. And 9 into 3, we are going to multiply this denominator and this numerator. 9 into 3 is equal to 27. Write 27 here. Is 40 bigger or 27 bigger? 40 is bigger. So, the first fraction is bigger. See how fastly and easily we have found which fraction is greater. See how easy it is. So our next fast calculation trick is done. Friends, the last fast calculation trick is we are going to multiply 32 into 11. First step is we need to write as it is 3 here and 2 here. Now we need to add these two numbers. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Write 5 here. So the answer is 352. Now we will do for this number also. Write 5 here and 4 here. Add these two numbers. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 here. So the answer is 594. Now we are going to do the same for this number also. That is 7 here, 5 here, and we need to add these two numbers. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Write the 2 here and carry over 1 here. So that it is 8. So the answer is 825. Now we will do for the last number. Write the number as it is 8 and 9 here. Add these two numbers. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. Write 7 here and carry over 1 to the hundreds place. That is 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer is 979. See how fast, easily we have done this multiplication problem. So our last fast calculation trick is done. Friends, hope you enjoyed this fast calculation tricks and the video. Give your valuable likes and comments to put more interesting math shortcut tricks for fast calculation tricks like this. And don't forget to share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye friends.